In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDFs in Confluence. Embed Guide. Embedding PDFs in Confluence lets your team read important documents right on the page, without juggling downloads or losing context. I'll walk you through the full process, share what to click, and give a few tips so your pages look clean and professional. Start by opening your Confluence workspace and navigating to the page where you want the PDF to live. You can choose an existing page if you're updating documentation, or create a brand new one if this PDF deserves its own space. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can place content. If you're collaborating, it helps to add a quick note at the top of the page explaining what the PDF covers, so teammates know what they're looking at. Now, upload the PDF. Click anywhere in the editor to set your cursor, then simply drag and drop the file from your computer into the page. Confluence will attach it automatically. If you prefer the toolbar, click the Insert button, choose Files and Images, and upload your PDF from your device or your file picker. Large files may take a moment to process, so give it a second. Quick note, you'll find the official Confluence link at the top of the description if you need to sign in or create a space before following along. Once the file is attached, convert it to a preview so it displays directly on the page. Click the PDF in the editor. Confluence will switch it to an embedded viewer with pages you can scroll through and zoom controls. Use the Resize handles to make the preview taller or wider. If your file appears as a basic link, click it and choose Display as Embed, or pick Card if your version offers that style. Embed shows the full document viewer. Card gives you a compact tile with quick access. Tidy up the layout so it's easy to read. Drag the PDF block to the exact spot you want. If your page is content heavy, consider switching the page to full width, so the preview is larger and more comfortable to browse. Add a short heading and a one-line description above the preview to give viewers context, like the purpose of the document or the last updated date. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your PDF is now viewable directly within the Confluence page, so teammates can read it without leaving the site. That's it. Fast, clean, and organized. And that's how you embed PDFs in Confluence. It's a great way to keep documents accessible and neatly presented inside your workspace. Thanks for watching.